Hi, I'm Roberto. This is Joe. We're Source One Environmental. Today we're going to go over the 42-48 pillow fold method. Traditionally we'd have a protective sleeve on this, but for today's purposes we're going to leave this off. So on your fiberglass you're going to have a line that states this is the first fold. So Joe and I are going to grab this first side of the patch. I'm going to walk it straight over. You're going to have a little bit of excess on this side. All we're going to do is lift and tuck that right underneath. This is going to be our second fold. It's going to be right around center on this packer. When we do our folds, we want to make sure that our first fold is going to be the left side from the air side or the right side from the pull side, and we're going to fold this edge up. Into thirds, and then the last one up and over to the top. At this point, we would install our zip ties to secure our patch and then install.